Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Wilmington Island, long distance movers near me. When considering a local relocation, it's best to let the professionals do the job. Doing it yourself sounds like a cheap idea, but hiring professionals comes with many advantages. The professionals know how to handle your belongings safely and understand the city well enough to know which routes are faster and safer for your relocation. They also have the experience that makes it easy to handle unexpected problems that can arise during relocations within their area. Call Wilmington Island local TM movers as you plan a local relocation. When it comes to local moves, they're one of the best Wilmington Island movers in 2023. Local movers having their niche and will give you a fantastic relocation experience if you hire them for local moves. Hiring them for a move that's not their niche, like long distance relocation, can be as good as shooting yourself in the legs. Their experiences and certifications are not good enough to conduct long distance moves. Wilmington Island long distance 3 Movers and other Georgia movers that perform long distance relocations have certifications that allow them to operate in different cities and have experience handling unexpected issues specifically to this kind of relocation. That's why you should use them instead of local movers. Relocating across a long distance means more chances of damage happening to your belongings. You shouldn't work with any long distance movers who don't have insurance so you can efficiently deal with losses and damages. You should also research regular moving prices for your relocation distance so you won't have to pay for overpriced services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Wilmington Island moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.